What's going on, everyone? Thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Andrew, and in today's video we are going to talk about 5 things going on in the crypto market. But before we get to that, if you'd like the content, smash up that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment on the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Overall, Bitcoin market up today. Bitcoin up 3.60%, Ethereum 2.33, Cardano up 3.43% on the day, trading at $1.83. Good for me. I'm really happy with the Cardano trade. I'm really happy to see Bitcoin and Ethereum going back up. It appears that the bottom is in XRP up as well, and Polkadot really shining, 11% almost up for the day, trading at $27. In today's video, we are going to talk about XRP, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other Bitcoin and crypto news. Let's check out the Crypto Fear and Greed Index first. Crypto Fear and Greed at a 24. Yesterday at a 23. It seems to me that things are slowly working their way back up to a greedy area, which is good for everyone who bought on the dip. It is not too late to still buy the dip, if you ask me. We're still extremely low on the Bitcoin, the Fear and Greed Index. So plenty of time to scoop up the dip. Bitcoin looks to be breaking out. Let's double check here on the daily chart. We have all the cryptos are forming this ascending triangle. It seems they're all just mostly following Bitcoin, to be honest, but it does appear that we have a little bit of a breakout, and then the measured move for that breakout would be this. It would bring us all the way up to just about 46,259, which is the bull market support band that we're trying to work our way back up to. So if we can do that for Bitcoin, that would be fantastic. Let's get right to the news. We had some bigger XRP news, which we will check out. But first, Ethereum's price could hit $40,000 in the long run, says Winklevoss Twins. I think Ethereum is going to do some really great things this market cycle, and in general, I do believe in the flippening, where Ethereum's price will flip Bitcoin, but I do believe it's prudent to hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I do. The Winklevoss Twins, who co-founded the Gemini Digital Assets Exchange, as well as family office Winklevoss Capital Management, has predicted the price of Ethereum could reach $40,000 in the long run, with a price target between $5,000 and $10,000 for the end of this year. So if we're talking about this bull run, Ethereum's already hit $4,000, so I think $5,000 is probably not that big of a deal. I think it'll do that pretty easily. I would say that $10,000 is probably a lot more likely for Ethereum in this bull market. And then we'd go through a bear market cycle, and in another 4 years we would see another bull run. And in that one we could see Ethereum hit $40,000. I do believe that's absolutely possible and could happen. Obviously not financial advice. Second thing happening in crypto, Coinbase, Dogecoin, meme coins in general, to be honest, but specifically Dogecoin, has memed its way to a Coinbase listing. It's Coinbase Pro. It's starting in about 2 days from now. It was 3 days yesterday. Is the joke coin for real now? So with Elon Musk buying the coin, and for lack of a better word, shilling Dogecoin, and Coinbase Pro listing, etc., SNL, all these things that have happened for Dogecoin, I think that it has lended a bit of authenticity, I guess is the word, to Dogecoin. Keep in mind, obviously, Dogecoin is a legacy coin. It has been around for, I believe, 8 going on 9 years. It is not a Shiba Inu token that was just put on the market, randomly like that. This is something that has been around for quite some time. It's a token that's been in circulation for quite some time. Keep that in mind. So it does have a little more credibility. Credibility, that's the word I was looking for, credibility. So Dogecoin is increasingly being used for payments on BitPay. If you didn't know, you can use Dogecoin for payments on BitPay, and it's soon going to trade on Coinbase Pro. Earlier this year, it was, in 2018, it was put on Robinhood, if anyone still uses the Robinhood app. And they announced earlier this year that they would allow you to remove your Dogecoin from the Robinhood app and transfer it into another wallet. So hey, there's one good thing that Robinhood, the company, did. So Dogecoin, it could be, the meme coin could be the future. It could be something Elon's going to take all the way to Mars, and it'll be the currency there. I think, however, without Elon, Dogecoin probably would not have pumped quite so hard and have gone anywhere. So you just got to be careful, because as we saw with what happened with the Bitcoin, there's a lot of tweets that Elon makes, and some of these things could hurt the market. So it's not always such a great thing to have a billionaire backing your coin. Someone so public who likes to tweet a lot. It'd be nice if everyone would just not say anything. Keep their mouth shut and not say anything. I don't know. I guess we'll see. He hasn't said anything negative about Dogecoin. I think he'll continue to hold it. Third thing going on in crypto. This is the big news with XRP. So XRP, the odds are the SEC will opt to settle the XRP lawsuit before reaching trial. According to attorney Jeremy Hogan, due to resource pressures, only a small percentage of cases ever reach trial. This suggests that the SEC may try to settle with Ripple. I think that would be a good idea. I think they should settle. Ripple's got a ton of money. As a company, it has a ton of money, and they can settle easily, and we can move forward and get this suit done with, I suppose. Then again, considering what's at stake and how the discovery phase has favored the defendant on balance, it could come as no surprise that Ripple CEO wants this case to set a legal precedent. Let's take a look at the Ripple chart. If you've been around, you know Ripple was one of those coins that did really well in 2017, not so well during the bear market, but everyone believes that this coin will probably hit about $10 and probably should hit about $10. And I was gearing up, everyone was gearing up. I don't hold much Ripple, but I hold a little bit. We were ready for Ripple to make a big move all the way up to $10 this bull market cycle. And then this SEC case comes out, and we have news that Ripple's being delisted from, all these different exchanges. Really, really hurt the price of Ripple. It was, all the way, I believe all this news came at about here. We were trading down at 20 cents in November of 2020. So it was just not good for Ripple. And now that we've had some news that more than likely this will settle, hopefully with the SEC, and not even go to trial, we could see Ripple be a super performer this bull market cycle. Everyone's anticipating, we were anticipating that it would hit $10 before this SEC news. Having said that, it seems a little backed up now, right? It's been held down by the man. Wasn't able to grow the same way the other altcoins did rally, right, because of this SEC news. So Ripple's got a long, long way to go. We could see some increasingly bullish action happen with Ripple to catch up to it would just be to catch up to the rest of the market, to be honest. Ripple is a little bit more risky. just because of the SEC case, because of the use cases, but Ripple is a company, it might be trading on, it might be IPOing on the stock exchange. There's a lot of really good reasons to hold some Ripple as a lottery ticket. Obviously, none of this video is financial advice, but Ripple might be the thing that really takes us all the way, or takes the market to, $10 and beyond for the price. Excuse me, Ripple's price might hit $10 and beyond, especially if we can get, real good solid news that Ripple's being used on a daily basis. Ripple could just really absolutely moonshot all the way to $10 for sure. I do see that as a very clear possibility. Top analyst predicts Cardano rally imminent in breakout against Bitcoin. Popular trader Kaleo thinks Cardano will hit an all-time high soon. I would like that. I have a lot of Cardano. The pseudonymous analyst tells his 316,000 Twitter followers that ADA is on the cusp of reversing a long-term dip against Bitcoin's price that dates back to 2018. ADA BTC has nearly completed an entire move back to its recent highs from the dip. Should expect to see new highs soon. They had a resistance area here drawn on the chart, and we have made it through that resistance. If we go all the way back up to previous highs for Cardano versus Bitcoin, we could see 8,000 Satoshis for Cardano. It's currently at about just under 500 Satoshis. So that's, almost nearly a double in ADA's price versus Bitcoin. So that is a good thing, because normally people will trade an altcoin to get themselves more Bitcoin, then trade back into Bitcoin with your profits. Cardano at the time of trading is trading at $1.72. It's actually at $1.84. It's up 32%. Nothing has changed in the big picture for Bitcoin. We're still confident that we'll see 100,000 plus this cycle. The accuracy of this chart from early 2019 still amazes me. Every good thing must come to an end eventually, but I think this thing has some gas left in the tank. So this analyst believes that it is still going to $100,000. He also believes that Dogecoin will continue its surge and might hit that $1 at some point, and it wouldn't surprise him one bit. Last piece of news coming out from Russia. Central bank governor says that a central bank digital currency for Russia is the future of the country's financial system. Honestly, digital currencies, central bank digital currencies, are the future of all countries' digital currencies. That is what is going to happen. I don't think there's any question about it. The fiat system is old. Paper money is garbage. The digital world is here. The internet is a thing, and we will continue to have cryptocurrencies. So the only way, and these central bank digital currencies, I think they're more secure than, or they would be more secure, help stop crime. I think it is the way of the future. So let's check what the article thinks, but I think this is just kind of it's absolutely going to happen. It's only a question of when. Russia's central bank governor, a name I can't pronounce, believes in the move towards central bank digital currency. He believes cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies are the future of the country's financial system. Some U.S. officials are worried about central bank digital currencies from Russia, China, and Iran. I don't think they're anything to worry about. I say that you join them. If the U.S. would produce a central bank digital currency, I think that would be absolutely stellar. I think crime, the amount of crime rate that paper money is involved in would drop, I believe, just my thoughts. And I think it's a good thing for everyone, good thing for the environment, good thing for everybody. I think, hopefully, give it 5, 10, 15 years, I think most countries will be on a central bank digital currency. Hopefully, if they decide to do this, they will then use Bitcoin as a replacement for gold. It could be their world reserve currency. So each bank would have their central bank digital currency, but to back that up, they would have to back it up with gold, Bitcoin, etc., etc. I think that's the world that we're moving into. I hope in 5, 10, 15 years that is what actually does happen. I guess we will see, but I do think it's heading that way. And then just a little bit of extra news, Satoshi Nakamoto to be immortalized in bronze near the Steve Jobs statue in Budapest. If you don't know who Satoshi Nakamoto is, that is the inventor. It's a person or a group of people who invented Bitcoin. No one knows exactly who this person is. If they are alive, they are unknown in identity. A lot of people thought it was Hal Finney, who is frozen. Currently, he passed away, but is cryogenically frozen. Very interesting story, the origins of Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto has inadvertently, I suppose, but Bitcoin and what that group person, whatever they are, has done for me and my own finances has been absolutely fantastic, life-changing money, and I'm very happy to see a statue erected to Satoshi Nakamoto. Apparently, it's going to be a hoodie with kind of a unknown face with a Bitcoin symbol on them. I think it's pretty good because you don't really know exactly who it is, but I like it. It makes me happy. It makes me really happy. All right, and that is all that we have for today. Please do like this video, smash up those likes, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Bitcoin news and a little bit of technical analysis on the daily. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.